We're standing on 5.5 acres in Warner today, and every direction you look feels like a postcard from old New Hampshire. Set in the heart of Warner, this one-of-a-kind, meticulously restored grand estate is the definition of timeless New England living. Positioned above a beautifully landscaped 5.5-acre setting, the property overlooks the Warner River, a historic covered bridge, a private pond, and surrounding woodlands that together create a scene that feels almost untouched by time. From the moment you arrive, the landscape sets the tone. Perennial gardens, cascading stone walls, and mature trees frame the property, while walking trails along the river invite slow mornings and peaceful evening strolls. Multiple porches and interior rooms have been carefully oriented to take full advantage of these views, ensuring the scenery is part of daily life. The outdoor living experience is centered around a massive wraparound porch, an ideal setting for gatherings, quiet reflection, or simply watching the river move through the seasons. Whether it's summer greenery, fall color, or winter snow, every view feels intentional and cinematic. Inside, the home has been lovingly and extensively restored with a level of detail that is rarely seen today. The kitchen is a standout space, featuring a French Lacanche range and oven, soapstone countertops, a vintage baker's station repurposed as the island, hand-hewn wood beams, and a warm stone fireplace that anchors the entire room. Throughout the home, design choices reflect both craftsmanship and artistry. William Morris wallpaper, artisan-made lighting from Vermont craftsmen, and grand period-style windows bring character and authenticity to every space. 5 sets of French doors open the interior to the porch and surrounding landscape, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The primary suite is a true highlight, featuring a Penhaglion soaking tub positioned to overlook the covered bridge and private yard. Above it, a third-floor turret room offers 360-degree views and serves perfectly as an office or private retreat. 3 additional bedrooms, multiple bathrooms, a family room, laundry area, and a secondary staircase provide comfort and functionality across the upper levels. The 4-story barn adds exceptional versatility, with space for 3 vehicles, workshop areas, 6 stalls, and endless storage or creative potential. Located just minutes from local amenities, lakes, skiing at Mount Sunapee, and under 2 hours to Boston, this estate combines history, craftsmanship, and convenience in one extraordinary New Hampshire setting.